you so much. I'm glad you're here on our module regarding sales, or my wave selling system, and specifically the Proforma Plus projections that I do. You know, at the end of the day, this is all about selling. We want to generate new dollars for customers. We want to provide new value to consumers, and we make all that happen through calling on the market, making sales calls, and building new customers on. Part of the process in doing this is that we want to keep our company informed. We want to keep our manufacturers up to date on what's happening, and we need to have some pro forma of what's going to occur in the market, and we really don't know. So we have to figure that out ahead of time. Part of the structure of working with some of the largest food brands in the world is they demanded that I provide them pro formas for the coming year. So it's very important that I had to put together budgets, and I had to share with them what I'm going to sell for over the next year. And so I've been able to develop over a course of many years a real simple system that's helped me to build average ideas of what my case sales are going to be, what's going to happen in my market. And so I call that my Proforma Plus projections. It's very simple, and it's based off my 5-step wave selling system. Now, it sounds like I'm getting complicated, but it's not. It's really very simple. When you're calling on customers, there's really 5 basic steps to calling on a customer. The first one is you contact them. Then you interview them. Then you present to them. Then you negotiate, and then they buy. That's it. Those are the 5 steps. There's nothing in the process other than those 5 steps, and is from my experience and my viewpoint. So, a sale, you have to get to 100%. So of the 5 steps, each step is worth 20% of the process. And so we can argue that one step might be 18%, one step might be a third, but let's just keep it simple. Keep it simple for my budgeting, keep it simple for my manufacturing, keep it simple for everyone involved. We're going to know that each step is 20%. So if I have a group of potential customers that I've not met with yet, I can't count those as potential sales. So there's nothing about them that tells me whether or not that I can sell to them or